Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by assembling everything in reach: the raft frame, bug net, floats, and fasteners. Begin mounting the net to the frame on one side so you can tension it progressively. This prevents wrinkles and gaps. Once done, inspect each seam and reinforce with a secondary stitch or clip because tension during use opens weak spots. Make sure to route straps away from moving parts to avoid chafing. Move deliberately, now, so later adjustments are minor rather than major fixes. You now tension the net evenly. Fix the four corners first, then add midpoint clips to distribute load. Start snug and increase tension incrementally. Over-tightening will tear mesh when the raft flexes. Use ratchet straps if available because they let you micro-adjust while monitoring frame flex. Once taut, anchor excess material under a seam and seal with waterproof tape to prevent fraying. If the net sags after a trial float, retention one clip at a time until the sag is gone. Don't rush the final adjustments. You finish by conducting a controlled float test. Load the raft with the expected weight and observe how the net behaves under real conditions. Watch attachment points closely for signs of slipping or chafe. Make small adjustments, then retest. If a tear or leak appears, stop immediately and apply a patch or replace the damaged section. Using a temporary clamp is fine for short trips but not permanent. One key tip: if the net frays at a seam, double stitch plus adhesive rather than relying on a single fix to avoid repeat failure.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.